Hey guys, Joshua here, and today's video is just going to be a very short kind of tech haul kind of thing. As you can see, I have stuff here. Yeah, so that's going to be today's video. First up, we have the ROG Maximus Fi Formula Gaming motherboard. So this is the Z390 motherboard, and it's going to be meant for the new i9 Intel CPUs. So definitely look forward to the video about this one. Here we have the ROG C7 CPU cooler. You can see the box is actually really very nice, and I can't wait to test this out in one of the newer builds that I'm going to be building. A fan hub from Deepcool, because yeah, there's going to be a build which involves this. Some fans by ROG, and these are the QF140 silent, and I actually have one of the performance one here just to see if I'm just trying to get the best performance out of the build later on. I also have a 600 watt Silverstone PSU, and it actually feels very hefty, and the thing I like about this is going to be fully modular. This is the GSP 600 professional gaming headset by Sennheiser, and I definitely can't wait to actually try it out and use it and test out all the functions and sounds, because this is definitely a very nice and premium headset. This is also from Sennheiser and is the CX6.00BT in-ear wireless, which is a pair of Bluetooth earphones, and yeah, they apparently are supposed to sound really good, so yeah, definitely look out for the review on this. Lastly, this is the Fantex Evolve Shift, and hopefully you can tell, but this is going to be a mini ITX build, and that's why some of the parts were definitely made for mini ITX stuff. And that's all the stuff I have for this video, for this particular tech haul kind of thing. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at what's upcoming, and so this is going to be like a small teaser kind of thing, so you know what's going to be upcoming, like a mini ITX build, a look at the ROG motherboard, Z390 obviously, with the Intel i9 chip, and also all the different headsets or even earphones. Let me know in the comments what other stuff you'd like to see, or what would you like to see first. Remember, like and subscribe for more tech and gaming content, and also to see upcoming stuff of this, hit the notification bell so you know when videos go live, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!